Hello guys, welcome back to the Heltec channel. Today we're going to talk about our new product. But before we go in this product, and I want you to imagine some situation. Like you are camping or hiking with your friend or family, you are going to some crowd like festival party. Suddenly you lost all the communication way. It's pretty bad, right? Because right now we are living in such a high technology society, where highly depends on the sales communication brings some sense of security. But one day, some situation happen, maybe even worse. That sounds very bad. But we bring the new product. It's our MeshNode-T1 and the Heltec V4 expansion kit V2 is designed specifically to solve this problem. And today's video we're going to be divided by two parts. The first part, we will talk about the hardware part. And second part is focused on our new firmware. It's called the Heltec F&T. It's based on the open source mesh core. So let's get started. And this is our new product, the MeshNode-T1. In front side, we used one acrylic panel to cover the whole the front and have another 0.96-inch screen. And in the back, we use the new touch coding for more comfortable use. Got another reset button, and on the side, they got another button, one for controller, another one is operation. It's much more smaller and light than the Mesh Pocket. Its size is similar like the credit card, and the weight only have the 53 gram. It's such like an egg. It's easily to carry on to the outdoor, no matter it's get into the pocket or hand it in our backpack. You cannot feel any weight when you use it. So let's check about the inside part is our MeshNode-T1. Inside part we use 1800 mAh battery. So when you use without the GPS, it can still running for 1 week. Even though when you open the GPS this feature, it can still provide enough power when you're doing the outdoor activity. But for us, we suggestion you are not use that GPS, you better close with it. And also we built one buzzer and the motion sensor inside of this device. It can help device to understanding the position, direction, and movement. We can use that data for later some other function. We used an NRF low power processor and lower chip SX1262. Another GNSS chip is UX6580. We have the three key advantages for this device. The first one is low power consumption, second one is long range communication, and third one is accurate positioning. It can help us a lot in the real world environment like the tracking or the outdoor navigation and other mesh network, even though more and more upgrade real world application. We also changed that interface from the magnetic to the USB-C port, because in the beginning we have taken another survey to the community. A lot of users say they don't want to carry on another special cable for the magnetic. It's very easy to lose it. So we hear about this feedback and immediately we just change it from the magnetic to the USB-C port. It is a small change, right? But in fact, our R&D team just redesigned the whole internal structure. We keep the user's experience the same size and save the IP65 waterproofing. We also can provide another dust plug when you use it at daily life, can protect this device. Okay, after all the hardware description, what else something new come with the MeshNode-T1? The first is the campsite function. You can set one location as a campsite, so when you use this function, the arrow always heading to your campsite location. And second one is a friend find. You and your friend carry on the two devices, and when you open this feature, this device can show the distance between you and him, and this arrow will always heading to another device. It can help you find your friend very easily. So to the last feature, I also want to talk about our Heltec V4 expansion kit. We have an upgrade. The first one is from the backplate plastic to the aluminum, and second is we add another new soft coating So we keep the experiments, the user, also keep the strong full structure. For the inner structure, we have also redesigned for it, so help user can more suitable for configuration and maintenance. Alongside our R2 versions, another upgrade is from R2 to the R8, and R8 is biggest upgrade is increase RAM, and we add another TF salute card. So the last feature come with the R8 is that the captain mode. The captain mode is that when the features on, this device is gonna be automatically to scan the whole device, and the whole map can be searched by your contact list, and it's gonna be showing to your screen. So you can know your team members' distribution and easily to find them. As we all know, MeshCore has an incredibly vibrant and open source community. Several years we really love to be part of it. And to be honestly, we have talked a lot of users and found that more and more users can be focused real-world situation like the emergency communication and some outdoor sport. So we keep the MeshCore basic communication stuff and find that the users need to give them more and more feature. To be honestly, this is quite friendly for the new users, and it's gonna be actually work in the real world. After all, have we talked about the Heltec F&T, that's all the structure of this firmware. Look like everything you need GPS module for all the feature, especially for the finding friend or find campsite. These two you need a 9-axis sensor. For the leader mode, you are definitely needing more bigger screen and more RAM, another TF salute card to showing the full map. After we all talk about the hardware and firmware, you can find everything from your needs. So I believe right now you're tired for all the talking. Me and our team gonna go outside for hacking. In real world, we can test our device. So let's check about it. Right now we're heading to our final destination. It's our camp. I want to talk about the campsite feature. We have two ways to set up our cabinets. The first one is we can set up our current location as the final destination as a campsite. Second way, we can type the longitude and the latitude to as the final destination. So as you can see, the arrow is always heading to our final destination. No matter I turn to different direction, it's always heading to our final destination. So compared with the phone, it's very easy. So because you don't need always to go to your pocket to find your phone to check the map. So as you can see, this is the final camping base, and later our teammate gonna carry the MeshNode-T1, and let's check about it. Let's go. Okay guys, right now let's turn on the captain mode. As you can see, this is captain mode, which means this system gonna find the activity node from your list and showing it to the displays. In ideal setup, it's gonna be coverage over miles even more, so that means you can find your teammate position very easily and give the massive help to coordinate with a large team and handling this emergency situation. Okay, right now it's almost an hour. It's time to get my team come back, and let's send a message to them. Okay, I have sent a message, but the weird thing is that only the Eddie have replied my message. The other team is not showing any message reply, so I will let the Eddie to find them to check the team B's stats.
Oh, just got a new message. Let me check about it. Okay, here comes my mission. Let's go find them. Actually, we have turned the location sharing function on just before. And then we can also tell the direction on MeshNode-T1. When the friend finder is active, it will automatically ping your location to other devices at the interval you choose. Oh my gosh. Also, moving just 50 meters will trigger an auto update to keep the map accurate. So even when we are scattered, you'll never lose track of each other. Let me check about it again. This way.
Much later.
Oh, I think I got in. Hey, guys. Gotcha.
And last feature about this device is map tracking. So when you hold the device and once the recording is on, so it's going to be generate automatically waypoint by every 5 meters you have moving. And when you walk, it's going to be give you a perfect and real time the map tracker the whole complete journey. When you finish the camping or the hiking, you can go to this website and download the whole map track to share with your friend and check all the journey. After all days activity, I believe right now you have noticed one major thing. That is all the feature we have just displayed is running directly on our device. Which means you needn't any phone or the cell signal or the internet. It's 100% completely upgraded communication environment. And in the future, our Heltec product line gonna be focused on this firmware. Because in the future, we want our hardware is not just as a product in the market. For our dream is that to make our hardware become a real solution way to the real world problem. So we need to hear about your advice, your suggestion to upgrade our firmware by the user's feedback. More importantly, this system F&T is completely free for the Heltec users. Head over to our official site to download, flash, and experience it all for yourself. After all the explanation and showing the feature about our new product, I believe right now you're definitely interested about this MeshNode-T1 and the Heltec V4 expansion box and the Heltec F&T firmware. I will leave all the link in the comment, and here you go, it's a 10% discount code for the users. If you like our video, please give us subscribe our channel. And in the future, we're going to bring more and more development tutorial and real-world tests to our users. And that's all the today's video. Thanks for your participation. I will see you next time.